Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Like in the last video, we are still on the smoothie adventure, and today I'll be showing us how to make banana smoothie. If you're yet to subscribe, please do so, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. For this recipe, I'll be using about 6 ripe bananas, drop of honey as sweetener, ice and some fresh milk. The first step is to peel the banana and cut it into smaller pieces. In the blender, I would add some ice, the banana, 1.5 cup of fresh milk, and about a teaspoon of honey. Blend everything together until a smooth consistency is achieved. Ensure you are using a very good blender for this process. Pour the smoothie in a cup and enjoy. Turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post new videos. See you in my next video. Bye.